When you hear the word Impressionism, you probably think of soft, blurry paintings of landscapes and gardens. And that's not wrong. But what I want you to understand today is why the Impressionists painted the way they did. Because it wasn't simply an artistic preference, it was a reaction against the art establishment of their time. In the mid-1800s, the French art world was controlled by the Académie des Beaux-Arts. The Académie favored detailed, realistic paintings, usually of historical or mythological scenes done in studios. Artists who wanted recognition had to follow these strict standards. The Impressionists rejected that approach. They went outside. They painted everyday scenes, cafes, rivers, people walking in parks. And they worked quickly, using visible brushstrokes and bright colors to capture how light changed throughout the day. The goal wasn't to create a perfect copy of reality. It was to capture a moment, an impression. At first, critics hated it. The name Impressionism actually started as an insult, based on a painting by Claude Monet called Impression, Sunrise. But what the critics dismissed as unfinished and sloppy eventually transformed Western art. We'll look at how Impressionism influenced later movements like Post-Impressionism and Fauvism next time.